Dear students, welcome back. Today, a new section is continuing the same chapter, and before that, let us remember the Almighty Lord's God's presence here in our class, and we must thank God every day in the morning. We are getting a new lease of life each and every day. So it is the grace of God. So as on our study progress, we should keep the God beside us. Always pray to God, particularly for your parents, your brothers and sisters, the dear and near ones, kith and kins. Okay? So that is 50-50. Our hard work 50% and God's blessing 50%. So always remember. Okay. So today we are going to discuss chapter 5 data handling. This is the third circle graph or pie chart. Very important. We will discuss about the circle graph or pie chart, page number 77. सर्कल ग्राफ दोनों सही है. आपको सर्कल ग्राफ भी बोल सकते हैं, पाई चार्ट भी बोल सकते हैं. मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ड इज पाई चार्ट. And in the definition, you can see here the textbook. What is this pie chart? These are the ever come across data represented in circular form. Data represented in circular form. Representing the data in circular form, and these circles are called the circle graph. A circle graph shown relation between the whole and its parts. And this is this sentence. 1 mark question, the 2019 में पूछा. A circle graph shows the relation between a whole and its parts. 1 mark sentence, underline it. So pie chart. Listen here. Beautiful pie chart are there. तो इसको सर्कल में टोटल हाउ मेनी डिग्री होगा? टोटल 360 डिग्री. The entire circle has 360 degree. The total circle has 360. This is very important. The total circle has 360 degree, and some part you can see making into different sections. Here you can see this one is for sleep. And this is for homework and school time, and this is play time, and this is other activities time. The whole day, the particular children or child's day is divided and represented in a pie chart. So that representing the data in a circular form graph is called a pie chart. This is sleeping hours. This is homework hours, this is school time, this is play time, and this is some other activities, extra activities. Okay, so this is what we call the pie graph. So it's very simple, and read the portion and understand it. Try this. There are certain examples are there. You also do it. We will how to construct, how to draw the pie graph. We will discuss one example. That is example. You can take page number 78. Page number 78. How to represent? You can see drawing pie chart. 3 flavors of chocolate flavor, vanilla, and other flavors. The student, the flavor ice cream. These all are ice cream. Ice cream, chocolate flavors. 50% of students like this. 50% आइसक्रीम चॉकलेट फ्लेवर ज्यादा पसंद करता है ना. यस, वेरी नाइस. माउथ वाटरिंग है ना चॉकलेट. नाउ वनीला 25% students like this, and other flavor pineapple or mango, that flavor is 25%. So this is simple question. How to represent this particular line? This is different flavors of ice cream is given. So here the percentage of students like that pattern. 50% of students like chocolate flavor, 25% students like vanilla flavor, and 25% other flavor. Now, from our answer part, we need to make this particular table. We need to make this for answer part. We need to make this particular how to make. Now, again, first of all, repeat the same flavor: chocolate, vanilla, and others. And the percentage of student chocolate here it is given 50%, vanilla 25%. Now, the fractional form. See here it is fractional form. 50%. Percentage, the base of the percentage is 100. Always remember the base of the percentage. 50% means 50 out of 100. 10% 10 out of 100. 20% means 20 out of 100. 80% means 80. पूछ लेना आपको कितना परसेंटेज मार्क्स मिला है, तो इसका मतलब 100 में से कितना मिला है. How much you have secured, how much you have got from out of 100. That is the base of the percentage. That is the base of the percentage. 90% means out of 100 you have got 90 marks. 35% means 33. You know, SSC examination 33% is the minimum requirement. So that means out of 100 you have to secure, you have to get minimum 33 marks. That is the passing marks. 33% limit. If 33% you are passed. Less than 30% fail. So the base of the percentage is 100. You always remember the now 50% is 50 upon 100. So you can 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100. So 1 upon 2. Then the simplest form is 1 upon 2. Now vanilla 25%, that is 25 upon 100. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. That is fractional form is 1 by 4. Other favorites 25%, 25 upon 200, 1 upon 4. Now, fraction converting into 360 degrees. I have told you, circle total how many degrees? 360 degrees. That also you have to remember. Now, 1 by 2 into 360, 2 or 360 cancel over here, 180, then you will get a 180 degree. 1 upon 4 into 360, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 90, then you will get 90 answer. Here also 1 by 4 into 360 equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 360, then you will get that 90. So chocolate 180 degree, vanilla 90 degree, and other flavors 90 degree. So this is very important. Constructing this chart is very important, the most important. That is the heart of this problem. I can say the heart. Okay. Now, how to construct again with the compass? Compass. This is my compass. This is my compass. Your one is very small. So you can keep at the center and you can construct a circle like this. Okay. Now, chocolate, how much it is? 180 degree. So 180 is, so from the center you can construct a line like this. So this angle is 180. This angle is straight angle, 180 degree angle. So you can write here 180 degree, and here you write this is chocolate. This portion is called chocolate. And vanilla 90 degree, and other one is 90. So you can separate these two. 90 degree straight line. You can construct a straight line, and this is 90 degree. This one also right. Right here vanilla, and then you write this. Okay. So this is the method to construct the pie chart. It's very interesting, very simple. And you get 2-3 times practice. सर ने जो बोर्ड में दिया है, टेक्स्ट बुक में है, पेज नंबर 78 में, उनको प्रैक्टिस करें. ठीक है. सो जो इसको ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस एग्जाम में देगा, सो जो क्लास में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, सो यू ऑल्सो वर्क हार्ड. ओके. डोंट बी टेंस. जो भी क्लास में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसको ज़्यादा ध्यान से दें, और most probably you're getting the questions from the same lessons, same videos. Okay, so please complete it. And example 1, 2 also is there. So 1, 2 is homework, and also try discuss and write. If possible, you do it. Exercise 5.2 also there. You just try with any material. You can use with help from any other materials. Please try. Okay. At least please complete the examples. Okay, examples. That is the main thing. Example is already done. You are unable to do the exercise. Let it be there. Let it be there. Once when we come face to face, we will discuss more. For time being, whatever I am discussing in the class, you learn it properly, and also examples that is already solved, so you can do it and learn properly. And the last point in this chapter, probability, page number 83, chances and probability. Let us conclude with this probability. It's very simple point. And what is this probability? Sometime when you ask, there is a chance for raining, बारिश होने का चांसेस है, आकाश में देखेगा, ऊपर देख के बोलेगा हाँ हो सकता है बारिश आ सकता है और कभी नहीं भी आ सकता है, ठीक है. सो करेक्ट. एग्जाम में हाँ कितना मार्क्स मिलेगा, आई होप आई विल गेट मोर देन 80. समटाइम्स चांसेस है, कभी 80 भी मिल सकता है, 80 से ज़्यादा भी मिल सकते हैं और 80 से कम भी हो सकता है ना. सो दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. कौन जीतेगा मैच IPL में, मुंबई इंडियंस और चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स? वन ऑफ द टीम्स गोइंग टू विन द मैच. सो हो सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट पोजीशन मुंबई कैन हैव द more chances. So the probability. So, and there are certain points you remember, and page number, please take page number 8, the summary, page number 88. A random experiment, there are certain experiments, 7th point, there are certain experiments whose outcomes are equal and chance of occurring. A random experiment is one whose outcome cannot be predicted exactly in advance, and outcome of experiment is equally likely, and probability of that is the very important. The formula, number of outcomes that make an event upon total number of outcomes of the experiment. That is the main formula in this chapter. So write this formula and study it. What is the how to find out the probability of number of outcomes that make an event and total number of outcomes. Then one or more outcomes of incident makes an event. That is 1 mark question. Chances and probability are related to real life. Okay, that's not much more important. I'll show you one example. How to find out the probability? It's very simple. Can finish with one example. Page number example 3. Page number 86. A bag has 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. A bag, 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. 2 yellow balls. The ball identity and respective color. A ball is drawn back without looking at the bag. What is the getting a red ball and is more or less than? If it is more or less than getting a yellow ball. Total. Now look at here. Bag contains 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. So the total how many balls? Total balls 4 plus 2 equal to 6 balls. अभी bag में कितना ball है? 6 balls. So probability is represented by P. Probability of red ball equal to red ball कितना है? Bag में 4 upon total balls upon 6. Total कितना ball है? 6. So 4 upon 6. So you can cancel 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So 2 upon 3 is the probability. This is the answer. 2 upon 3 is the answer. And the probability of getting the red ball, that is 2 upon 3, and the probability of getting a yellow ball, that is yellow कितना है? Probability of yellow ball कितना है? 2, and the total कितना है? probability number is 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 3. So 1 by 3 is the probability. 1 by 3 is the probability. So it's very simple one. So please complete that example 3, and also homework exercise 5.3 also complete it. So we will meet you with a new chapter, chapter 6, squares and square root, the next year. Till then, take care. Bye bye.